by protecting you from harm. Now that may not be the reason for your part, but just continue to talk, and I'll give you some time now.
Again, I'm just scanning that mirror. Lane change to the left, signal, mirror, left blind spot check. And left at the light, so signal, mirror, slowing down, left blind spot check. Yeah, I got lots of time. That guy's more than 6 seconds away. So I just keep the car in motion. I just roll like, you know, your water sort of thing, right? 40 here, so right turn at the traffic sign. Approximately a driveway or two before the corner is where you want to put your signal on. Complete stop. You feel that little kickback. 1, 2, that's a full 3-second legal stop. Parking on a hill. So signal, and I want to start moving into the curb at the beginning of where it begins, and I'm keeping that little bump there just to the left of the curb. Checking the side mirror, and I'm just going to follow the curb up to the beginning of this driveway here. This is where I would park the vehicle if I was visiting someone.
Got it.
To the left, neutral, and keeping pressure on the brake. You noticed I had to turn the wheel a little bit more, and so I'm touching the curb, into park, engage parking brake.
Right.
Step 1. Straighten the wheels out. Step 2. Step 3. Smog signal, mirror, over the shoulder, and go. I can bring the speed up to 40 here. Scanning far left, far right, but keeping the same speed. I always want to be prepared to stop if I need to, avoid a collision. If I notice somebody coming through the bushes, you know, not stopping. That guy's pulling out of his driveway. See, the tires are spinning, but he's slow enough. I think he sees me. I would have to take evasive action if I saw the, you know, like if he just suddenly stepped on the gas or something. That'd be stupid, right? If you did that. But at least you're thinking about it. And I want to make sure I could still see the back tires. And then my turn at the line, complete stop. Little shot of gas, steering it to the right a bit. Leaning forward to see better. Looks good.
To work out why this part is doing what it's doing.
And I'm gonna... So...